Welcome back, guys. Steve from Exclusive Wraps here. This is our first weekly wrap-up video that we have done in quite some time, so I'm going to be really out of practice, so forgive me if this is choppy and terrible, but I'll do my best. We are absolutely flat out at the moment in the shop today, so we want to show you what we are working on, starting with this big army green beast behind me. We have the Lamborghini Urus Performante. So this one is a factory satin painted vehicle. All the carbon is also in the factory satin finish. And of course, as you've probably guessed, if you've watched any of our videos before, it's got a full Xpel Stealth paint protection film kit on it, protecting that factory matte finish, which is notoriously hard to look after and repair. Let me see. Nope, no job sheet in there. Pretty sure we ceramic coated this one and tinted the windows as well. Moving on, we've just had this gorgeous M3 Touring dropped in. Now this is a factory painted finish already in the frozen black, I believe it's called, with a couple of gloss black accents and a lot of gloss carbon. This one also in for Xpel Stealth paint protection film, gloss PPF on all of the gloss trims. What else are we doing? I can't remember. Oh, we're doing carbon PPF on the roof, ceramic coating, window tint. So quite a comprehensive package for this one as well. To my right, C63S Cabriolet Final Edition. This one we PPF'd a little while ago, came back in just to have a small repair done. Sorry, I'm walking a little closer. But again, same thing, Xpel Stealth paint protection film and ceramic coating over the whole car. If you look further to the right, we have this Alfa 4C over here. Something you don't see too many of. In the years we've been operating, I've probably seen 3 or 4 of them come through our shop. So this one is in for track pack. So we've done track pack paint protection film kit. It has also been ceramic coated, and that is it. Now, let's move down the line. We're gonna do a bit of a 180. To my left, another Urus. This one in, also, we've got a lot of stealth cars in at the moment. This one in for stealth paint protection film. So we're gonna change this gloss finish to a satin finish that you can see right here. All the gloss carbon is going to remain in gloss, so we're going to use our Xpel Ultimate Plus gloss film to protect that without changing the look. This one I'm pretty sure is getting tinted, tinted windows, ceramic coating as well over the PPF, probably on the wheels as well, and probably the interior. To my right, another big SUV. So we've got a lot of big cars in at the moment. Range Rover Sport. This one's brand new, just been dropped off. Xpel Stealth paint protection film kit as well. So this, all of the metallic gray that you see here is going to go to a satin finish, and all of the gloss black accents are going to remain as is gloss black. We're also coating the interior and tinting the windows on this one as well. Let's continue down. You can probably see behind me this one here, Ferrari Purosangue. This one is number 3 for us. However, it was the second. So this one has had a full Xpel paint protection film kit done and the windows tinted as well. So this is a really cool one. To my left, GT3 RS. This one's just in for a full front package. So it's getting full front PPF, and that's it. That's all that one's getting there. If we keep moving down the line, we have a new MX-5 RF. So this one has got quite a package going on. Full paint protection film kit, ceramic coating, window tint, and interior as well. If we keep going down the line, we have a car that matches my shoes. Several people have told me I should buy one. Unfortunately, it's, well, one day maybe. This one's in for the works as well. So full paint protection film package, ceramic coating, window tint, and we're replacing the sticker under the wing with the yellow one as well. I think that's about all that one's getting. Oh, and the wheel faces as well. We are ceramic coating the wheel faces as well. Back to the left, we have yet another Tesla Model Y. This one's getting a stealth conversion. I think we're actually doing more stealth conversions than gloss cars in the shop at the moment. So stealth conversion, I think ceramic coating as well, and windows have been tinted. Over here is a Model Y in the same color as the one we were just looking at that has already been stealth converted. This one we did a little while back. Unfortunately, took a little bit of damage here. So we are going to remove the PPF on the front bumper, Fingers crossed, the paint work is still in good condition, which I think it probably is. The damage doesn't look to be too substantial. So hopefully the film has done its job. We'll take that off, replace it with some new film, and owner's on their way. Over here, new Tesla Model 3 Performance with this really cool looking Lightspeed Ludicrous badge right there. So this one was in for a full front protection package and window tint. And lastly, don't worry about the dirty skyline in the corner. This early GT3 RS 06 model, I believe, this is a car that was actually wrapped 12 years ago by us. We did all the graphics, and there was some carbon wrap on the bonnet, roof and mirrors. 12-year-old wrap. Believe it or not, it was removed really nicely. The car didn't see that much sunlight, which is good, so it came off easily. So it's had the film removed, and it's just getting paint correction. That's about it. So to bring back some luster to the paint, it's looking a little bit tired, and it's obviously done some track days. But that's what's happening with that one. I think that covers about everything in the shop at the moment. There is one more car hidden outside that I'm not allowed to show you just yet, maybe on the next video. But other than that, thanks for watching, and thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you on the next one.